Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where a firmware update failed in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, and then click on the run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is to disable the antivirus. So if you have a third party antivirus on your computer, then right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps, wait for it to load. Let's say this is the antivirus. Click on the three dots corresponding to it and uninstall it. The last solution is to roll back the update. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and then click on update history. Select uninstall update. You'll find the latest updates here, simply uninstall them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.